So what motivates me to go to college? The main motive for me is growing up in a low income household and witnessing my parents working hard laborious jobs, and that's really the main motive for me because I want a more prosperous future for myself.
My parents are here to see me thrive in college, and I know that they want what's best for me. I'm getting the education that they never received. That's why it's very important for me to really succeed as a first generation student, to accomplish what they couldn't accomplish, and to know that their struggles are worth it.
One thing I've overcome as a first generation college student is asking for help. Coming to college, I didn't know how to get the support that I needed, and with the support through TRIO, I was able to learn how to do that.
This guy right here. Right down right this time.